Hey, it's Kenzie right here, and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be making butter slime using Daiso Clay. This is a Japanese clay, so anyways, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a massive thumbs up and click the subscribe button below. I'm super excited, so why don't we just get started? So the first step to make butter slime with Daiso Clay is using glue. So we're going to add this in to the bowl. Okay, and the next step is foaming facial cleanser. So we're going to do several pumps, of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we'll do one more just in case. And then we are going to do the same amount of pumps as the foaming facial cleanser, but this is foaming hand soap. Okay, and now for shaving foam. Okay, and so let's stir this up and so that it becomes thicker. And it's going to thicken up, and it might turn a light pinkish color just because of the color of the foaming hand soap, but it won't make a huge difference in the slime color. Okay, so once that's mostly mixed up, you can start adding your food coloring, which I'm going with green because I'm going to be using green Daiso Clay. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, we'll do 4 drops just to see what color it is, and we can always add more if we don't like the color. But the Daiso Clay is a light green, so I'm kind of wanting to keep it that way. So stir that up, get that all mixed in. Okay, so now it is time for baking soda. I don't have very much left, so I'm going to try to get it out the best I can. Ugh. Okay, so I'm just going to pour some in. That's probably good. Can you see how much? Maybe just a tiny bit more. Okay, that's probably perfect. If you can't see, here's the size of the spatula. So, and then here's that much baking soda. So we're going to mix that in. And this is going to make it to when we add the contact solution that it actually forms a slime. Get that all mixed up. And now it is time to activate our slime with contact solution. So we're going to pour a long squirt in and start mixing. And you can already see that it's already starting to thicken up some. Okay, so let's add another long squirt and start stirring. Alright, now for some more contact solution. I think it's ready to come out, and so I'm going to get this off of the spatula, off both sides of it. And we are going on to the Daiso Clay. I just got some on this box. Oops, ignore that. But here's the Daiso Clay. It's green. So we're going to open it up and see the inside. So I'm going to get a plate to put the slime in so that I can stir it better. Okay, now it's time for the Daiso Clay. So I'm just going to lay it on top of the slime. Okay. I'm scared. I've never done this before. Do I just push it? Oh my gosh, that feels so cool. Okay. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. This is making me happy and excited. Oh goodness. So my slime's a little bit sticky, but it's still not super terribly bad. Fold this over. my plate sliding around, but that's okay. This is a lot bigger of a slime than I expected it to be. You can see the Daiso Clay like coming out into it. This is so cool. So I'm going to fold it. Get this little piece. Ooh, look at this. Look how pretty it is. It's already getting a buttery texture. Sorry if the plate's moving, guys. I'm trying to keep it still. This is awesome. I wonder what it's going to be like once it's all mixed in. So I'm just going to keep kneading this so that it becomes a butter slime. It's got this such a cool texture right now because it's like foaming from all of the foaming face mask or foaming hand soap and shaving cream, but then it's also got a buttery texture. This is so cool. Okay, and I also wanted to dye this green so that when we added the Model Magic, it didn't completely fade the color out of it. I really like this. Oh goodness. I think this is the complete finished product. It's very large. Here's the buttery texture. Okay. This is super buttery and I love this so much. Woo! Oh my goodness, this is really pretty. Okay, so this is the final product. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a massive thumbs up and click the subscribe button. I had so much fun making this video. It was so cool mixing the Daiso Clay into the slime. And I hope you have a good next week. Goodbye!